welcome to my channel. I don't know what to give the name of my channel, but today, well, not my channel, I mean my subscribers. But anyways, today we are making chicken and shrimp alfredo my way. Okay, so I cut up my chicken breast. I cut up 3 things of chicken breast, and I have some alfredo sauce. I'm going to show you what kind I have. I have 2 roasted garlic parmesans and whole style. These noodles are okay, but we're going to be using 2 penne or pini or pini. And I have this fucking, I don't know, cheese. I don't know. What does it say? Mayo. And okay, now I'm gonna wash this pan because this is a handle. So even though I washed the chicken breast, I'm still going to put it in here and wash it because I don't know. I've been seeing like TikToks and fucking parasites, and I mean, even though this chicken's gonna be like cooked, like so yeah. I'm putting it here. It almost fell on my hand. See, this is what I'm talking about. Like, what is this fucking here? Well, we better watch this shit till the color comes out. So, oh, I'm using my hands. Okay, I just need a tripod for this shit. Here you go. Here's me washing the chicken. Even though it's already washed, but I just don't. What's wrong with being extra cautious? I'm gonna drain it out. I put my hand right here so that shit don't fall out. Cause I'm gonna be sick as hell. Ew, it's like shoopy. Also, spinach leaves. Spinach leaves is what's going to be like. Yeah, this is the bag of spinach leaves right here. I think that shit is backwards. Damn. And apparently bell peppers, because they want me to put bell peppers in there. So time to cut. Alright, so it's time to clean the cutting board now so I can cut these peppers. Yeah. Hope nothing happens to me. Alright, just cleaning up the. So now we're just going to clean. Okay, so I just got one of every color, because we don't pick favorites here, you know, let's just show all of them some fucking love. Alright, so I'm gonna cut these up in Sonic fucking speech. Oh, yeah. Oh my god, it's like a rainbow without purple, blue, violet. Okay, I look pretty sus at this, with this lighting. I kind of look like those like masks, those puppet things. Now the peppers are in the bowl, and we're going to get back to the chicken and season them up. Okay, so boom, we got complete. And then we don't have a lot of paprika, or we don't have any pepper, so this is like what I have. So yeah, got this from TJ Maxx. It's really good. I don't know what this is, but this shit is really good. And garlic powder and. Don't sleep on Italian seasoning. I put this on anything chicken related. It's so good. Okay, it's gonna be kind of hard to do this all. So I put my complete seasoning on there, and then I mix it thoroughly. Now this. The finale looks like this right here, and now we're gonna get the pan to put the stuff in. Voila! I washed this big dirty ass pan that was in there, and now we're going to do a little signature secret. I lied, it's not. You probably already know this already. I just kind of feel special because my boyfriend told me it, and I didn't see nobody else do it. So this butter right here is the shit. It is the best butter ever. So we're gonna put it on a pan. Okay, so we're going to get, I say, cause this butter like comes up really fast. I say, this is cool. This is cool right here. We're gonna put it in a fucking thing. I'm gonna spread it around. Hey, Shari, what is this? Of course, you're supposed to oil or butter your pan. Now that I'm doing this, I'm realizing that it's not that special. So I'm just gonna show you anyway. No! Oh my god! So I'm gonna put this up to like right here maybe. So until it's white. For noodles, I'm going to use this big obnoxious pot because I can't find one that's like big, well small enough, yet big enough for the noodles. So I'm just gonna use this one and look at the fucking size difference. It's insane. So now we're gonna grab the chicken and dump it in there. Oh hell no, it should come with like guts. Not these sexy anime guts. I definitely need to turn the heat up. Like that shit. I'm also going to put the bells in the chicken. Let's go. Okay, so the stuff is in there, and this is about to boil. And I like to put butter in here, but non-salted butter, not the same country butter, because like we don't want to like. And since I added the butter in there, I'm going to put a little bit of this, not a lot. Let's demonstrate. Yes, that's it. That's fine. Just pull it back on. Now we're going to mix. Now let's just kind of okay, so now we're going to put the chicken that okay, I had to drain it out, so we're just gonna put that. Oh my god, this salad shrimp though. Like, you see these things? Anyways, they're about to be shriveled up. Put them right here, and we're going to season them. All I want is garlic powder on them, cause like the chicken already bacon and stuff. So this right here. The paprika and red bell pepper. Right, roasted garlic and red bell pepper. And I just put some parsley on here. I hit record, but it didn't work. And this is what a shrimp looks like. So I just put some butter in there, just to get a little mixture on me. And now we're about to throw it in a fucking skillet thing. Okay, so now the shrimp is done. It's all like small. I mean, it was originally small, but now it's even smaller. And the chicken is done because it's like starting to like get brown and yeah. Okay, so now the chicken's done. It's in a big like glass thing. It's in a microwave. So now we're going to do the garlic bread. And so we're going to preheat it right there. Boom! Oh my god! Now we're going to wow. Put it in here for 45 minutes. Yeah. Okay, so we want this to already be a little sauced up. No, don't throw your stuff in some dry noodles. Like, who does that? Oh, you do that? Damn, that's crazy. Yeah, see, now it's starting to look Alfredo-y. My bad, I had to put the camera down because stirring this is low-key heavy as hell. Oh my god. Oh, why kind of look ugly though? But it's matte. Anyways, thank you guys for watching.